Alright, so welcome back, and in this video I want to show you how you can create professionally looking PowerPoint presentation using just AI. Gone are those days when you struggle with how to design PowerPoint, navigating the Microsoft PowerPoint presentation and all of that. So with just a right prompt and the right approach, you can just create your presentation. Very simple. So pay attention to this video and let me walk you through the steps. The first thing I want to do is that this is our digital agency website, interglobal.agency. So the information I want to work with is on our solution here. I want to go with the web solution services, that is web design, web app development, server solutions, landing page, e-commerce, and web auditioning. Then the other presentation I want to extract is the Google Performance Suite. These are the services that we offer at interglobal.agency, right? I'm going to be using all of this information in terms of my presentation in this video. So the first step is that I want to give my prompt to ChatGPT. But before I give the prompt to ChatGPT, I will make sure that I refine it very well using this platform promptry.io. So I have to paste the rough prompt that I have here. I want starting marketing slide that highlight our digital services at Interglobal Agency. Directly extract the content from our web pages. Then I paste the URL of the particular page, and I go ahead and put more information for the second page, that is the Google Performance Services, and I click on Enhance Prompt. So I have to refine the prompt before I send it to ChatGPT. So this is what we got. Create a PowerPoint presentation consisting of 13 slides to effectively showcase the digital services offered by Interglobal Agency. So use the following detailed structure. So about slide, then the web solution slide, then the Google Performance slide, and the contact slide, just as it is on the brief instruction I gave here initially. So I just have to copy the prompt. So on your ChatGPT, go to GPTs. Then you search for PPT Builder for Gamma by Ruben Hassid. Click on Start Chat. So this is a custom GPT developed by Ruben Hassid for creating PowerPoint presentation for Gamma. So I go ahead and paste the prompt that I copied from promptry.io. Then I go ahead and execute on ChatGPT. So this is very fantastic. You can see ChatGPT has already worked on the prompts that I gave. So it got all the information from the interglobal.agency, just as I gave on my instruction. So these are the citation from interglobal.agency website. So after that, I have to copy the prompts from ChatGPT and hover to gamma.app. So gamma.apps help you create a PowerPoint presentation from just a prompt. It's very simple. And when you come to this place, go to login to get started, or click on start for free. So after logging into my gamma.app, I have to start creating from this particular interface. I go to paste in test, this particular option. So presentation is what I want to create. If you want to build a web page, you can use this option, or document or social platform. You can use all of this. So Gamma helps you with all of this powerful, amazing creation. So from the default, I choose the transitioner. Then I have to paste the prompt from ChatGPT. Then if I want to modify some other information, I can go ahead and do that. So I click on generate from note or an outline, continue to prompt editor. So because I'm using the free version of Gamma app, I cannot generate more than 10 slides, just as the instruction says here. So I have to upgrade for me to generate all the slides that I want to. But if I don't want to upgrade, I have to delete some of the slides. Just click on this particular icon here, and I want to remove this particular first slide, which contains the information from ChatGPT. So I have to remove this particular one, delete the card, and some other card that I don't need. I have to modify it, such as the last option here. So I'll delete this one as well. Delete this. So if I want to move the card above any of them, I just have to click on this, then use this arrow to move it above each of the card. Okay, so that is it. You can also do some other settings on this left section, such as if you want the amount of text to be concise, you can do that, or you want it to be detailed, extensive, or minimal. Then you can further go ahead and give some other information that you want how your slides to be. such as the visuals like the text fonts and the images that you want to use on your slide. So after all of these settings, you click on generate. So as you can see, Gamma is currently working on the information. That is very fantastic. Wow, this is amazing. So with all the prompts that I copied from ChatGPT, as you can see right here, is currently turning them into powerful presentation that I can use at the end of the day. That is very interesting. But the mistake I did was I didn't signify my brand color. So it's normally using blue instead of using our brand color, which is gold color. So this tutorial is just for illustration purposes. When you want to work on your own slide and presentation, you have to make sure that you give proper information. So that is very interesting. This is my presentation right from the information I gave ChatGPT to work with from Interglobal Agency website. So another amazing thing is that you can also edit the content of the slide before you export it. So you can just hover on any of the content that you want to edit, then click on the three dots here. So let's say if I want to change the font or the color of this particular about Interglobal Agency, so the color is currently blue. You can click on this drop down, select the color that I want to go with, then the text. Then if I want it to be bold, I can click on the bold or italic or underline it. So these are the basic settings you can implement if you want to create your own slide. You can also change the background image, change the text, change the icons. Just click on any of them, then you make use of the one that you want to go with, right? So just click on the drop down. You can either upload the icon or paste from the image URL. So that is it. This is very interesting. This is very interesting. And in less than 10 minutes, you are already done creating your professional slide using just AI and prompt. Remember, the first step is to use prompttree.io to refine the prompts that you want to send to ChatGPT. And after that, you copy the prompts, then send it to ChatGPT. So after ChatGPT is done working with the prompts you gave, you copy it and go to gamma.app and just follow the process as I've showed you previously. And at the end of the day, you can just download your slide instantly and start sharing to people. You can also click on present. As you click on present, you can switch to each of the section or each of the card. That is very interesting. So you can also decide to share the slide to people, or you can publish it to your site. Very interesting. So you can just click on the share button here and you copy the link and send to anyone that you want them to access the presentation, or you click on export to download it inside your device, or you click on embed to copy the code and embed on your website. Very simple, very interesting. So let me know what you think. If you find this video very interesting, I would like you to like, comment and share the video. So if you want to know some other things about your presentation, click on the three dots up here. You can go to analytics, you can publish to site, you can comment. You can also use this option to export it, which is to download in your device, or you can make a page setup, view source prompts and other things. So at the end of the day, you are good to go. So let me know what you think in the comment section, and don't forget to comment, like and share this amazing video, and I will see you on the next one.